Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add this finishing touch using Canva. So all you have to do is open one of your design. So this is for the example. So after you finish your design, you can add texture by tap or by click these elements, and you can type texture here. So there is a pro and also the free one, or you can choose textured paper. Here, let's try the free one here. So you can choose the color later, but try to adjust the texture a same with the design that you made. And you can choose the color here. For example, you can click it. Sorry, click the color. You can choose the photo color here. For example, try to use the same color or even darker. And then you can try this transparency, try to lower it like this here. So there is a texture that you can see, barely visible, but it adds something into your design. So please feel to try to use this texture to make your design a that not too stiff, not too simple. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click next button below. See you in the next video.